Today we will introduce you to the products we offer from our Solitech division. And this product is called the Smart Home. We'll show you the two options that are available, the basic and the advanced. And our specialists will help us with this. And I'm happy to introduce our chief engineer for the Smart Home system, Dennis. Hello, Dennis. Hello. Could you please tell us what the Smart Home is? What requirements need to be met if someone wants to install this system in their home, and what it actually consists of?
The Smart Home is designed for centralized control of all the systems in the house, meaning lighting, climate, blinds, flood sensors, electricity consumption sensors, and much more, jazz, and other features. This house is basically presented a basic configuration, meaning we only control the lighting, blinds, and climate zones here. You can control everything either from the main display, which we'll show you now, or from your phone. This means you can even stay in bed and turn the individual light above your bed on and off, control the room's main light, adjust the climate, and open the blinds accordingly. Here is the main distribution panel, which contains all the circuit breakers that protect the lines, power supply, and actuators of the Smart Home. Figuratively speaking, the brains of the Smart Home. In this house, we use the Connex system, which means that each control unit for a set of lights or blinds has its own microprocessor. So you can add as many blocks as you want without any limitations. And of course, after that, adjusting the Smart Home control program. Here is the main display of the Smart Home, so it can control any area of the room, all the bedrooms, living rooms, all the lights and blinds. This display also serves as an IP gateway between the Smart Home and your phone, so you can connect an unlimited number of phones to manage the house. The main advantage of the Luna Home is that we can manage group connections. So, for example, having a home control page, you can name it in any language you want. We switch the climate mode, heating or cooling. We can turn off all the lights. We can turn off all the climate control on the first floor, turn off all the climate control on the second floor, and close, for instance, all the blinds. In our case, the blinds are only in the bedrooms. In each bedroom, we also install an individual display that directly controls that specific area.
Well, dear friends, right now we are at the second site where we also have the Smart Home system installed, which, as I mentioned before, includes advanced features like monitoring water sensors and flood detection, and monitoring electricity consumption. And let's delve into what the flood control feature option is, or the water leak detection system, in the Smart Home. For this, additional sensors, such as those specifically designed for this purpose, are installed. The sizes are small, just up to 2 centimeters. And they are installed in every room where there are pipes, meaning where there is direct access to water. These are the bathrooms and indeed the kitchen. What does it look like on our screen right now? So it's essentially a flood control system that is designed for safety. If everything is fine, it will show up as okay for you. However, if any of the sensors receives a signal that water has come in, then the entire water supply system throughout the entire house is completely and immediately shut off. And you will see it right here. So this button for the pump will be turned off, so it will automatically turn off the system for you. And that's the moment when you need to call a plumber. Well, dear friends, today we presented to you 2 standard levels of the Smart Home system that we install at our sites or by individual client request. Let's not forget that they can be customized for each of you individually. Contact the company Arcostec and we will definitely help you, consult you, and set up the Smart Home system as you see fit. Thank you for your attention.